This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the Windows subsystem for Linux and the virtual machine platform so Ubuntu can run natively. Once done, run the single command WSL install in an elevated PowerShell or open the Microsoft Store and install Ubuntu. Both methods register the distro. Make sure to reboot when Windows requests it. This completes kernel installation and enables system features. After reboot, launch the newly installed Ubuntu app. This first run creates your Linux user and sets the environment. You'll see a terminal prompt asking you to choose a username and password. This becomes your default Linux account. Once logged in, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to fetch and install security updates. This keeps the system stable. Next, install common tools such as sudo apt install y build essential curl git so you can compile or fetch code. Make sure to set any preferred shell, chsh, or configure SSH keys now, because these choices affect daily workflows and remote access. You can open the Ubuntu terminal from the Start menu, pin it to the taskbar, or run wsld Ubuntu from PowerShell to launch directly into that distro. For a modern UI, add an Ubuntu profile in Windows Terminal and set it as default so you get tabs and themes. If WSL refuses to start, try restarting the LXSS Manager service. Ensure you have Windows 10 build that supports WSL2, or rerun WSL install to repair the distro. This resolves most startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.